If Pixlr is showing a JavaScript error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can solve the problem quickly and safely. These steps are especially helpful if Pixlr is not loading correctly, buttons are not working, or the editor keeps freezing with script errors. Make sure to watch until the end because the last step can often fix browser-related issues that people overlook. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open an incognito or private browsing window. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N at the same time. This opens a fresh browser session without your usual extensions and cached browsing data interfering with Pixlr. This is one of the fastest ways to check whether the issue is caused by something in your normal browser profile. Once the private window opens, go back to Pixlr and try loading the site again. If Pixlr works in incognito mode, that usually means an extension, cookie, or save site setting is causing the JavaScript error. If the issue is still there, don't worry, move on to the next step. Next, clear the site storage for Pixlr. Go to the left side of the web address bar and click the menu icon or the site information icon. From there, open the cookies and site settings area. You want to clear the stored data for Pixlr so the browser can start fresh. Old cookies, corrupted site data, or broken local storage can sometimes prevent JavaScript from running properly. After clearing the data, refresh the page and sign back into Pixlr if needed. This step often fixes errors caused by outdated browser sessions or damaged cached files. Now let's improve browser performance by enabling hardware acceleration. Open your browser settings, then search for the word system. In the system settings, turn on hardware acceleration. This allows your browser to use your computer's graphics processing more efficiently, which can help web apps like Pixlr run more smoothly. If hardware acceleration was already enabled and you're still seeing the error, you can also try toggling it off and back on again, then relaunch the browser. Sometimes a quick restart is all it takes for the change to take effect properly. After that, we need to verify WebGL support. Open a new tab and go to get.webgl.org. This website checks whether your browser and graphics card can properly render WebGL content, which many creative web apps rely on. If the page shows a spinning cube or confirms support, that's a good sign. If it fails to display correctly, then the issue may be related to your graphics drivers, browser settings, or hardware acceleration. In that case, updating your graphics driver or switching browsers may help. Finally, flush your DNS cache. On Windows, open the Command Prompt app. Type ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter. This clears outdated network information that can sometimes interfere with loading web apps correctly. Even though this may seem unrelated, DNS problems can occasionally cause strange browser behavior, failed script loads, or connection issues that trigger errors in Pixlr. After running the command, close Command Prompt and restart your browser. Then open Pixlr again and test it one more time. At this point, one of these fixes should help clear the JavaScript error and get Pixlr working normally again. If the problem is gone, great, you're all set. If not, the next best steps would be updating your browser, disabling conflicting extensions, or trying Pixlr in a different browser altogether. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials, and let me know in the comments which fix worked for you.